Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're an adventurer who needs a watch that's tough as nails for outdoor exploits, but also smart enough for daily life, tired of fragile smartwatches that die quickly or lack that classic look, then get pumped because today we're crossing over to a rugged hybrid. It's the Garmin Instinct Crossover. This solar-powered watch has analog hands over a digital display, up to 70 days of battery life, and features like GPS navigation, heart rate tracking, and tactical tools. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a durable timepiece that blends traditional style with advanced tech for hikes, runs, or everyday wear, this is the watch that'll keep you on track no matter the terrain. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break it down and see why it's an Instinct essential in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Garmin Instinct Crossover. This is a 45mm hybrid smartwatch with analog hands that move out of the way for a hidden digital display where needed. Built with a fiber-reinforced polymer case and chemically strengthened glass for extreme durability, meeting military standards for thermal, shock, and water resistance up to 10 ATM. It has solar charging that extends battery life up to unlimited in smartwatch mode with enough sun, or 28 days without, and includes Garmin's Elevate sensor for 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking with scores, body battery energy levels, and stress monitoring with relaxation timers. Fitness tools include built-in GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo for accurate multi-GNSS navigation with TrackBack to guide you home. Over 30 sports apps for running, biking, swimming, and strength with VO2 max estimates, and tactical features like stealth mode and dual position format for coordinates. It connects to your phone for smart notifications, Garmin Pay for payments, and the Garmin Connect app for data analysis, custom watch races, and community challenges. The band is quick-release silicone for comfort, and it has a compass, barometric altimeter, and thermometer for outdoor insights. Priced around $299, it's lightweight at 1.8 ounces for all-day adventures. Versatility is a standout. Use it for rugged hikes with navigation, daily tracking with health metrics, or as a classic analog watch with smart perks hidden until needed. It's great for explorers who want reliability without sacrificing style. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are crossing strong. Hybrid analog digital design for timeless look with modern features. Incredible solar extended battery for weeks without charging. Rugged military-grade build that's shot-proof and waterproof. Comprehensive fitness and health tracking for motivation and insights. An accurate multi-GNSS for off-grid navigation. Users love how it survives extreme conditions, the long battery that beats other smartwatches, and the tactical tools for outdoor precision. It's reliable, versatile, and built like a tank for serious adventurers. On the con side, the 45mm size might feel large for smaller wrists. Analog hands can obscure the digital screen at times. No music storage, so it relies on your phone. And some note the app is needed for full customization, though most say the watch itself is intuitive. Overall, pros dominate for outdoor enthusiasts. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Garmin Instinct Crossover if you love adventures, and the pros like durability, long battery, and navigation make sense for you. It's ideal for hikers, runners, or anyone wanting a tough smartwatch that looks classic without compromising on tech. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your adventures crossing, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with an adventure buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time.